मिस्टेक बाय प्रोवाइडिंग ऑनलाइन, आप बोलिए, आप डाउनलोड करने का बाद में हम उसको निकाल देंगे।
यस सर।
मिस मिसेस सुरेखा जाधव, हाँ, आपका बारे में बता दीजिए। आपका इंटरव्यू किधर होता है, किस तारीख में होता है?
19th को है सर, पुणे में, महाराष्ट्र।
अरे बाबा, इतनी जल्दी आप लोग आ गया, 17 तारीख में आ गया और 19 तारीख के लिए। आप लोग हमारे लिए बहुत फायदा करते हैं। हाँ, कम काम दे के बहुत पैसा देते हैं ना। गॉड ब्लेस यू।
सर
आई
सॉरी सर, बट मुझे।
माई ब्लेसिंग्स टू यू ऑल। नाउ सुरेखा जाधव, आपका बारे में बोलिए। किधर मैं आपको इंटरव्यू बोला, बोलो विच प्लेस?
आई एम फ्रॉम सर गेवराई. माय नेम इज सुरेखा जाधव. आई एम फ्रॉम गेवराई एंड currently working in औरंगाबाद सिटी सर.
औरंगाबाद इज इन महाराष्ट्र ना?
यस सर, महाराष्ट्र, औरंगाबाद.
योर इंटरव्यू विल बी इन मुंबई?
पुणे सर.
पुणे। गुड।
पुणे. यस सर.
आपका बारे में अभी बता दीजिए, आप तो हिंदी में बोलेगा ना?
नो सर, इन इंग्लिश.
अच्छा, प्लीज टॉक टू मी एंड टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ ब्रीफली।
So my name is Surekha Vittal Jadhav. I'm from Gevrai district, Bid. I got married in 2022, and I'm currently staying in Aurangabad city. I joined ICICI Bank in July 2018 through a post-graduation banking diploma course. After that, 4 years I worked there, and I joined the IndusInd Bank in 2022, October 2022, and I'm working as a service delivery manager there, and also as a backup DBM in the branch, sir.
Excellent. So you are in Aurangabad.
Yes, sir.
What is
I,
your husband?
uh, I
Is your
yes,
husband?
sir.
What is your husband? वो क्या काम करते हैं?
Yes, sir. My husband is also in bank, sir. He is working in DCB Bank as a home loan officer, sir.
DCB means that is Lakshmi
There is
Vilas.
no full form for the DCB Bank, sir. It's only DCB Bank Limited.
अच्छा, oh, that Lakshmi Vilas is DSB Bank ना?
No, sir. DCB Bank.
ना, इनका पहला बैंक का नाम लक्ष्मी विलास ना था क्या? ये was he?
No, sir. No, sir.
I think
No, sir.
this is only known as DCB bank. इनका
Yes, sir.
चेयरमैन कौन है?
Chairman,
DC,
sir. I think
don't know.
didn't remember, sir.
अच्छा, आपका हस्बैंड इज वर्किंग एज व्हाट?
He is a home loan officer, sir. There.
होम लोन ऑफिसर, अरे भाई, गुड, एक्सेलेंट।
Yes, sir.
बट डीसीबी तो ज्यादा प्रेजेंस नहीं ना हमारा कंट्री में, बहुत कम है ना?
Yes, very less branches are there.
गुड।
Even in Aurangabad city, only 2 branches are there, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा, वेरी गुड। नाउ, इंडस इंड बैंक कितना ब्रांचेस है?
4 branches, sir, in Aurangabad city, and nearby Aurangabad, other branches are there, sir. But proper in Aurangabad city, 4 branches are there.
वेरी हैप्पी। हु इज योर एमडी एंड सीईओ?
Sir, for IndusInd Bank, MD is Sumant Katpalia, sir, and he is only MD and CEO both, sir.
वेरी गुड, एक्सेलेंट। नाउ, can you tell me what is your major work in your branch at present?
Sir, I'm working as a service delivery manager in retail branch banking, where I have to do the daily transactions and also process the non-financial and non-financial request. I am authorizer of the all transactions. Also, I'm a backup of DBM. When DBM is on leave, I'm taking the charge of deputy branch manager, and also I'm doing the authorizer of CTS, check clearing system, and I'm operating the locker and doing cross sales over the counter to the customers, sir.
What is the maximum achievement made by you in cross sales for our DCB bank?
Sir, I brought a fixed deposit in the bank, and I 10 crore in 1 month, and I qualified the Mahabalipuram continuum in my branch, sir, in my
But
region.
What is that Mahabalipuram? What is that?
So the top 10 employees will got felicitated with the certificate who will brought the fixed deposit and CASA, sir. Highest
Super.
CASA and fixed deposit.
Very happy. So only certificate और कुछ मिठाई मिलेगा?
Yes, sir. Okay, I have to carry the certificate, sir, with along with me.
No, 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 no. You can take the certificates. If they ask, you can show it. But वो बात हम नहीं पूछ रहे हैं. आपको खाली सर्टिफिकेट देता है और कुछ मिठाई भी देता है इनका.
Yes, the certificates, sometimes trophy we are getting.
अच्छा.
Not,
Your
yeah.
your manager will give, na?
No, no, sir. From the manager, I got many times pain or something like coffee mug or like that. But like some contests are like going through on a regional level or on zonal level. So they are coming from the organization or system only, not given by manager. Manager is appreciating like he's giving some uh, pains or something like that, sir.
Good. Very happy. अच्छा जी. पहले बताओ.
Yes.
आपका रोल मॉडल बैंक में कौन है? ओनली बैंक का अंदर में आपको आईसीआईसीआई हो सकता है और इस बैंक में हो सकता है. उनका नाम मत बताइए. उनका किस क्वालिटीज आप लेना चाहते हैं उनसे?
Sir, my role model is Mrs. Arundhati Bhattacharya, who
नो
is
नो. बट आई वुड लाइक यू टू टेक समबडी फ्रॉम योर प्रेजेंट
my
बैंक,
bank,
प्रीवियस बैंक.
my IndusInd Bank, sir, my present bank.
रसन बैंक, इंडस बैंक इधर में भी ले सकते हैं. नहीं होने से आईसीआईसीआई बैंक में भी ले सकते हैं. कोई आदमी, जो आदमी आपको बहुत पसंद हो गया, अच्छा काम करते हैं, उनका ये क्वालिटी आपको बहुत बढ़िया लगता है एंड आप उसको कॉपी करना चाहते हैं, ऐसा में भी आदमी कौन है? लड़का ना लड़की?
Yes. Yes, yes, sir. In ICICI Bank, I worked there for 4 years, and after me, like I joined ICICI Bank, and after 2 months, my colleague was joined, and she is from the RBS Bank, Royal Bank of Scotland. And she joined from the Royal Bank of Scotland, and her English and her communication skill and her email writing is very good, sir. She is like very prompt and very like she's her dictionary is very good, sir. So I learned from her like how to talk customer in English, because I am from the rural background and I got posted in Mumbai, and mostly Mumbai's customers are like talking in prefer talking English. So I learned from her how to speak with the customer and how to draft the mails.
You have succeeded in that.
Yes, sir, I succeeded
Only
many of my.
only 5% of the SBI CBO candidates are comfortable in talking in English, and you are one
Yes,
among
sir.
those 5% candidates.
Thank you,
Congrats,
sir. Thank you.
congrats, congrats. Very happy. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
good. Very happy. Now, after having asked you about your role model, what is the degree you studied?
I completed a Bachelor of Computer Application. It is a management course, combinations of computer course, computer languages and accounting, sir.
Mhm. So,
So in
आप बैलेंस शीट का बारे में पढ़ा है?
सर अभी इतना याद नहीं है, बट यू कैन आस्क मी सर इफ आई गेट टू नो.
नो नो. आपने कुछ जेबी सीआईबी वगैरह पढ़ा, नहीं पढ़ा है?
नहीं सर, नहीं पढ़ा है.
क्यों? आईसीआईसीआई में तो अब मेंबर वो नहीं हो सकते हैं, लेकिन डीसीबी में तो अब, सॉरी, योर इंडस इन
इन
बैंक में तो यू कैन ज्वाइन इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ बैंकर्स ना. आपको इंक्रीमेंट वगैरह तो नहीं मिलेगा, बट आप अटेंड कर सकते हैं ना, नॉलेज मिलेगा.
Yes, sir. In like ICICI Bank, I was not able to complete the JIB because they are not allowed to ICICI candidate. But 1.5 year only before only I joined the IndusInd Bank. After 6 months, when I like after 6 months, I was started preparing for the JIB, but I was pregnant that time, so I have to take care of all the things in my pregnancy journey.
अभी
So
डिलीवरी
that is
हो
the
गई?
reason. Yes, sir. On 21st of January, my delivery, sorry, on 20th of January, my expected delivery date, and I had given exam 1 week before, sir. So I was praying in December month that exam will be like prior the 20th of before the last Sunday of the January, and same thing is happened, and I had given the exam on 21st of January, and after 1 week, I gave a birth to the daughters, one beautiful daughter I got,
Good,
sir.
very good. Now, in DCB Bank, do they give you maternity leave?
Sir, I am not in DCB Bank. My husband is
Sorry,
in DCB
sorry,
Bank.
sorry. Indus in Bank.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am on maternity leave for 186 days, and this is the last month remaining, sir, for the joining of my after the completion of maternity, I will join the bank, sir.
Excellent. Who will take care of the baby?
My father-in-law is getting retired in the month of September, and in the month of August, and then they will shift with me. So my father-in-law and my mother-in-law will come, and they will stay with me to take care of my daughters.
Excellent, excellent. Be good to mother-in-law.
And
Which qualities of mother-in-law you like very much?
actually, sir, I am from the rural background, and she always thought that I am a working woman. So she always like helping me in the work, sir. When will I whenever I will go at my mother-in-law's house, so she will helping me the like she will not expecting that I will work so fast in the making foods or doing other other activity in the home, sir. So she is helping me in all the things that she is saying me always that you are doing you are handling your own home and work every day, so you take a rest here only, sir. So she is doing all these things, and she's making me relax and taking the rest me too, sir.
Very good. You are really lucky. Be happy, and that's nice. Now, come
Yes,
to State Bank of India. What do you know about State Bank of India?
Sir, State Bank of India is established in July 1955 as a, and before previously it is a Imperial Bank of India. In 1806, the Bank of Calcutta, Bank of Madras,
No, no,
and
no.
Bank of
Listen, listen, listen. आजकल
yes,
तो इंटरव्यू 10 मिनट का ज्यादा नहीं चलता है. 5 मिनट
yes,
10 मिनट ओनली. इस बीच में आपने हिस्ट्री स्टार्ट करने से तो समय खत्म हो जाएगा. आपने
yes, sir.
बिल्कुल आज का पॉइंट्स बता दो. एसबीआई का एमडी कौन है, चेयरमैन कौन है, एसबीआई का हेडक्वार्टर किधर है, कितना ब्रांच है, कितना एटीएम है, कितना डिपॉजिट है, कितना बैंक करस्पॉन्डेंट है, कितना एम्प्लॉयज है, ये सब बता दो. उनका बढ़िया स्कीम क्या है, ये सब बता दो. एंड ट्राई टू
Yes, yes,
improve your knowledge. Now, for your sake, I am taking you to this one. Yeah, this
yes,
is
sir.
what I have given you just now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm aware of the things. So
So,
State Bank of India is established in
no, no, no,
1955, and the
no, no.
current MD and CEO is Dinesh Kharra, sir.
Yeah.
And the tagline of the bank is pure banking, nothing else. And
Hmm.
there are like SBI is a listed in the Fortune 500 bank, where the SBI is in top 10, sir. And YONO is the digital app for the SBI,
Hmm.
and SBI also providing the internet banking facility.
Hmm.
SBI is having the five subsidiaries like SBI, uh, like SBI, so SBI cards.
Five
S
subsidiary and 14
oh,
subsidiaries.
yeah, yeah, sir.
Out
So
of that, remember
SBI,
five. No, no. How you should talk in English. Of
yes, sir.
the of the subsidiaries of 14 subsidiaries of SBI, I am remembering these five. Like that, you tell the name of first five numbers, whatever you remember. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
बोलिए, बोलिए.
SBI General Insurance, SBI Life Insurance, SBI Card, SBI Mutual Fund, and other. other
मैटर,
I didn't.
आप इसको प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए, कोई बात नहीं। नेक्स्ट, अगले पॉइंट जाइए।
SBI's headquarters is established in Mumbai, and it's like currently the 25,000 around branches are there. 65,000 ATMs of SBI is there. SBI is staying established in 29 countries over 235 outlets, sir.
अच्छा जी।
Total,
आप, नो नो, ओके, यू
yes.
कैन मैनेज दैट क्वेश्चन, बट आप ज्यादा बोलना नहीं है, कम बोलना है। अभी हमको
Okay.
बताओ, आज का खबर क्या है, खुशी खबर रिगार्डिंग एसबीआई इन न्यूज़पेपर्स। आपने देखा नहीं होगा, यूर बैंक शेयर प्राइस हैज गॉन टू 899.55, 8% बढ़ा दिया।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
और इनका कैपिटलाइजेशन, मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन अभी 8 ट्रिलियन को बढ़ा दिया।
Okay.
ओवर 8 ट्रिलियन टुडे, टुडे, जस्ट टुडे, ओवर
Yes, sir.
एट
Yes.
ट्रिलियन सो ये तो खुशी खबर है। बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का इंडेक्स जानते हैं आप, सेंसेक्स?
No, sir.
आपने
I
नहीं
know that
देखा?
Bombay Cup.
आपने नहीं देखा?
Bombay
अभी का रेट
देखा.
है 76,992, 76,992. So before going for the interview, you must check what is Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex, what is SBI share price, what is SBI market capitalization, then what is National Stock Exchange, what is that alone, National Stock Exchange Nifty, ये देख के अब जाना है, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Very good. You have been far better than majority of our candidates. You have told nicely. Look, madam, I have given
Yes.
you these folders for you. This is our SBI CBO folder. Then
Yes.
this this group you have to join to become a member of WhatsApp group. आप अपना क्लिक करके करने से member हो जाएगा। Then this is the download of Chat GPT. चैट जीपीटी से हमने इंटरव्यू का यूज होगा मटेरियल बहुत कुछ डाउनलोड किया है, 100 पेजेस, जिसमें से आपको जो इंटरेस्ट है आप देख पढ़ सकते हैं। दिस वन इज बैंक प्रमोशन इंटरव्यू को वीडियोस। देन दिस वन गूगल फॉर्म, एक गूगल फॉर्म आपने फिलअप करना है। इसका बाद में क्रेडिट ऑफिसर इंटरव्यू फोल्डर है, जिसमें आपको क्रेडिट का बारे में कुछ जानना हो, इसमें आप पढ़ सकते हैं। यहाँ पर आप खाली बैलेंस शीट एनालिसिस और वर्किंग कैपिटल और टर्म लोन और प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ क्रेडिट एनालिसिस, ये सब पढ़ने से बढ़िया हो जाएगा। ये वाला है क्रेडिट ऑफिसर इंटरव्यू वीडियोस है। और ये पंजाब नेशनल बैंक क्रेडिट ऑफिसर वीडियो मोर और लेस ओवरलैप होगा। देन दिस इज क्रेडिट ऑफिसर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन कंपाइलेशन। यहाँ पर देखने से आपको क्रेडिट का क्वेश्चन क्या क्या आएगा इसमें से मिल जाएगा। CBO interview folder, I think I have repeated it, doesn't matter. Then this is SBI figures. Arey Baba, Siva Pari, we were searching here and there. I have given it here. So if you click this, you will get the figures of our SBI. Then this is the banking updates, last 4 months or so it is there. Then promotion link revised, that one previous one may not work. This is CTDI, is a banking magazine. Here, if you can read May month, April month, I will appreciate. This is the link of the Zoom meeting where we conduct normally. Whenever you want to see me at this time of the day, you can see me here. I am actually in Toronto now. So that is why the class timings are very odd. If I am going to be in Chennai, I would have been very happy. I could have conducted lamba interview for you because I can work for minimum 12 hours. अभी तो हमारा 12 hours का समय नहीं है। Maximum I can work for 5 or 8 hours. अभी दिन में तो 5 hours, रात में 2-3 hours I can work. That's all. So best wishes. However, the candidates are very cooperative, very intelligent, and success will come for those people whose fate is very good. Don't say I believe only in fate, but fate is also important. 70% luck,
Yes, sir.
30% based on merit. God bless you. Would you like to ask some questions?
Yes, sir. I studied for the other material, but I wanted about the HR related questions, sir. I'm not able to answer properly for the HR related questions, sir, because in IDY Bank I also got selected as a I appeared for the interview as assistant manager last year, and waiting in the waiting list, sir. I got 60 marks out of 100, sir, but I was not able to answer
Which
properly
question
for
you
the
have?
exam question.
Which question?
Why you want to join the why you want to join the IDBI Bank?
SBA.
So like that.
Obviously,
Ah,
obviously, you have to say one reason is the 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 pay packet in our don't tell it as a first point. SBI is the one of the largest public sector bank, is the largest public sector bank, and it is one among the three domestically systemic important bank. I expect my career to be an excellent one or good career growth in say SBI. That is why I want to join here. Further, the salary wise also, our State Bank of India pays higher salary than what I get now from IndusInd Bank. So under these circumstances, I am sure my future will be nice if I join here. That's why I want to join.
okay.
Okay.
And what happened is, sir, like in 2002, I switched from the ICICI Bank to the IndusInd Bank on the same package, sir. So
Why
like
did you
the
join the same
IndusInd,
package?
so I got married that time, and ICICI Bank is not giving me the transfer. So
Then,
that is the
then
reason.
okay, that's a valid reason. No problem. You can tell them for because I wanted to join. Again, this will be a negative point. They will say, Madam, when I select you, I will post you in some village in Maharashtra. Will you go
Yes,
or
sir.
not? You would like to stay with
Yes,
your
sir.
husband? वो तो possible नहीं है.
Yes, sir. So what happens now for that question in IDY interview? I told them that the Mumbai is the metro city, so and comparatively the Aurangabad. So this to reduce the expenses, daily expenses, I joined in same package for the other cities, sir.
No, it's because your husband is working in Aurangabad.
Yeah.
You opted to come. That's a very clear fact. No problem. As long
Mm.
as possible, you be together. But the day comes, they will. You may have to go away from your place of work also. This question is routine question for you. You are a child with 6 month child. How will you move if we post you away from your present spot? जरूर पूछेगा.
Yes, sir. So
ये तो
how
स्माइल करके आंसर कर दो. अच्छा 1 minute. Let me switch off this.